Đạt ơi, em cũng đánh cho Bắc Tứ Linh rồi. Đánh cho Bắc Tứ Linh rồi. Vai sáng bắt trận đấy, sáng gọi loại rồi. Lại được đi nào. Anh em thấy sân mệt. Nó thua đánh đấy là nó thua của đấy.
Ôi nhỉ lắm.
Nhưng mà cái quả đấy Linh nó đang ở trên Capitol anh em mình. Xong quá. Chuyện tí nào Linh phát view. Quả đấy bắt trước lùi mình. Lùi được tiếng. Đấy. Từ sân cáp ra 10 phút. Thế mà vấn đề là bọn lùi lời. Tưởng như đoạn Linh. Đấy chú là phải chết này.
Natural lang madapa, natural lang mataliso, natural mabutata. Di ka dapat nagkakina, di ka dapat magka, di ka dapat nangihina, di nila pwede mahina. Ano mo rin kasama kailangan mag-uwi. Sabi na, nabalik ko pa naman ang masay. Dapat ay wala ko magkapat ako na pala kasi wala malambot na binte. Kailangan mo ang digdig. Sa sarili may bilib, kasi may gusto marating at patunayan sa marami kahit na paunti-unti na parang
First 5 on the center. Today's matchup, Diamond Buckets and versus Formosa. Start of the ball game. rebound by number 8. Rebound by number 5. No good. Pass to number 5. Dribbling. Pass number 13. Goes to the basket. No good. Rebound by number 17. No good. The ball goes to number 0. Pass to number 77. Attempt for 3. No shot. Going down. Number 11 is Daniel Bucket. Setting the play. Pass number 5 for 3. Yes! 3 points by number 5. Dribble by number 5 for Mosa. Pass to 77. Pass to 0. Driving vertical. Pass again to number 0. Pass back to number 5. Formosa number 3. No good. Rebound by number 88. Goes to Formosa. And then 2 points. Number 88 out Formosa. Dribble by number 11 for Diamond Buckets. Setting a play. After 27. And then short. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Formosa. Pass to number 0. Fake. Pass to number 5. Attempt for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Ball stays to Formosa. White ball. Pass to number 5. To 32. To 0. Looking for a pass. Pass ahead to 32. Number 5. And deflected out of bounds. Ball stays on Formosa. Time remaining 7 minutes and 27 seconds for the first quarter. Good. Foul by number 17. Pass to number 11. 17 again. Second with the motion, pass to 77. Goes to the layup, no good. Rebound by number 11 of Diamond Buckets. Going down. Rush by number 0. Number 5. Offensive foul. Offensive foul by number 17 of Diamond Buckets. Number 5 is Formosa, setting the play. Pass to number 0. Number 88. Dribble, shoot, block by 27. Steal by 77. Formosa. Pass to number 5. Settling for a play. Pass to number 0. Number 77. Attempts for 3. No good. Rebound by number 7 of Diamond Buckets. Number 5, pass number 0. Number 5, foul. Foul rep. Number 5, 0. Uncheck. Rebound by number 5, pass to number 11. Looking for pass to 17. Attached, no good. Rebound by number 0. Pass to number 5. Athletics for 3. No good. Rebound by number 5 of Diamond Buckets. Dribble. Move. Pass to number 13. Attempts, no good. Rebound by 0. Pass to 7-7. Goes to basket. Out of bounds. Same ball. Formosa ball. Pass to number 7, attempts, no good. Rebound by number 7, Byron Buckets. Pass to number 5, Mills into the basket. 2 points by number 5 of Diamond Buckets. Rebound by number 5, Hermosa. Pass to number 0, goes into the basket. Clean the second pass, but recovered by 7-7. Pass to number 0, back to number 5. Pass to number 2, attempts. No good. Rebound by number 13 of Diamond Buckets. Number 11, slowing the pace. Looking to pass. Holding the play. Pass to number 5. Taking. Pass to number 2. Set. Number 7. Driving the basket. Number 5. 32. First shot, no good. Second free throw. Correct. Now dribbling number 5. Let's go Mosa. Pass to number 0. Pass to 77. Attempt by 3. Elbow. Pick up by number 88. Let's go Mosa. Intercepted by number 13. Goes short to the basket. Yes, 2 points. With number 18. Diamond Buckets. Now set to the play. Pass to number 0. Pass back to number 5. Pass to number 2. Back again to number 0. Drive into the basket. Rebound by number 13. Pass to number 5. Open goal. Drop shot. Yes! 2 points by number 5 with Diamond Buckets. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 9 seconds for the first quarter. 3 minutes and 9 seconds for the first quarter. Pass number 4, driving the basket. Side step, pass number 7. Back to number 0. Attempt, pass to number 2. Pass to number 8. Attempt, no good. Rebound by number 13. The Diamond Buckets looking for a friend. Goes to number 11. Long pass to number 17. Drive. Wait, attempt. Closer. Offensive foul by number 27. 17. Offensive foul by number 17. Rebound by number 5. Hermosa. Number 6. Clippers goes to number 7, pass number 5. Open board, grabbing, blocked by 32. Recovered by number 5, attempt again. Rebound. Ball goes to Hermosa. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 9 seconds for the first quarter. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Pass to number 0, grabbing. Pass to number 32, attempt. No good. Rebound. Number 8. Number Hermosa. Number 27. No good. Rebound by number 17 of Diamond Buckets. Number 11 now slowing the pace. Pass to number 5. Attempt for 2. No good. Rebound. Ball stays for Diamond Buckets. Same ball. Pass to 11. Pass to 37. Stop. Traveling violation. Ball goes to Hermosa. Turnover. Revolves by number 5. Pass to number 2. The 0. To 88. Goes to the basket, attempts, no good, rebound. Followed by teammate, foul. Foul, number 13. First free throw. Good. Second free throw. So good. Rebound by Formosa. Pass to number 5. Back to number 2. Attempts for 3. No good. Rebound. Goes to number 5. Atlanta Nuggets. Looking for pass. Pass to number 7. Nothing. Remaining time, 45 seconds. 45 seconds. Attempts, 5. Time number 2 points. Number 5. Remaining time, 33 seconds. 33 seconds. Slowing down, Greg Formosa. Score, 12 against 3. In favor of 9. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Diamond Nuggets.
I think 4. 4. 4. Isang ulit. Oh, si 88. 88, right? 88. 1 point. Ay, sorry.
Score 12. 5 in favor, 12. Diamond Buckets. First quarter. Formosa 2. Big first foul. First foul. Diamond Buckets. Number 13, first foul. Number 17, 2 foul. Start of the second quarter.
Bro, dapat dito kayo. Malapit kayo sa...
Oh, dito tayo. Oh. Ay,
Position pass to Formosa. Number 5, pass to number 0. Goes to the basket, layup, 2 points by number 0. New ball number 15 by Diamond Bucket, looking for a pass. Pass number 11. 11 pass to number 17. Bucket with the foul up. Foul number 88. Hit. Legal hit. 2 shots. First free throw, no good. Second free throw. No good. Rebound number 8, pass number 5. Pass number 7. Drive to basket. Musagat, covering violation. Turnover. Almost to Diamond Buckets. Number 11. Give up the ball. Only the 3. Pass to number 29. 29 going to the basket. Alright. The 12. 22. 2 shots. No good. First free throw. Second free throw. Rebound by number 22. Pass to number 0. Down to the basket. Very good. Rebound again. Out of bounds. Position by the number. Rebound by 17. Pass to number 5. To 11. For 3. Yes! 3 points by number 11. Diamond Buckets. Score 15. 17 in favor of the Diamond Buckets. 8. Pass from that 2 to 0. Attempt number 3. No good. Rebound by number 17. Pass to number 29. Intercepted. But recovered. 29. Zero rebound. Stop. Pass to number 13. Number 11. 13. Attempt number 3. Yes! 3 points by number 13 of Diamond Buckets. Score 18 in favor of 17. 22. Attempts for 3. No good. Rebound goes to number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 17. Open up. Yes, 3 points by number 17 of Diamond Buckets. Timeout for Masa. Score 20 in favor of 7. Diamond Buckets. Remaining time 7 minutes and 27 seconds.
Is this the date?
Gagawin ang dapat kong gawin. Alam ko na
Rainbow. Score 20 against 7 in favor of Diamond Buckets. Or position for Masa. Rebound by number 0. Pass to number 5. Dribble, settling the play. Pass to number 0. 2 by 8. Pass to number 7. Attempts to 20. Yes! 2 points. 2 points. Out of the play. Pass to number 29. Attempts for 3. No good. Rebound. First number 29. Shot. Very good. Rebound number 2. Pass to 11. Back. Out of bounds. Out of something. Not completed. Ball goes to Formosa. Number 8. Pass to 5. Dribbles the ball. Pass to number 0. Pass to number 22. Attempts. Davis, rebound, goes to 13, 14, 29. Pass 29, 29. Pass 14, to 11. 11, all in the play. Pass to number 29. Attempt for 3, Davis, rebound, number 17. Rebound, pass to 11 again. 11, drives to the basket. Break, pass, moves 0. Number 17 to 13, attempts, no good, rebound. Snowball. Blind runs number 15 and Diamond Buckets. Number 11 goes to basket, pass to number 5. Number 5. There's a power. 27. 77. Wow, 77. Illegal hit. Rebound by number 13 of Diamond Buckets. Pass to number 11. Up. Same ball. Diamond Buckets. It's a pass. That's number 29. 29. Looking for back. Dribble. Pass to the middle. The middle. Intercepted. Out of bounds. Same ball. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Lions and Nuggets. 4 seconds to shoot. Intercepted. Number 5 goes straight to the basket. 2-4. Number 5 to Gaza. Here was the number 5. Goes to the basket. Yes! There's a foul! Foul the ball. Who's fouled? 7-88. One shot. Bonus shot. Bonus shot. One shot. Miss rebound. Rebound goes to Formosa. Pass number 5. Setting a play. Pass number 0. Pass number 88. Pass number 77. Attempt. No 2. No good. Rebound. Violet. Blocking foul. Number 17, third personal foul. 17, third personal foul. Substitution rep. 17 out, 79 in. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 4 minutes and 31 seconds. Remaining time in the second quarter. 88, 54 back. To the number 5. Setting a play. Dribble. Pass to number 77. Dribble. Stumble. Stumble. Pico. Same ball. Formosa ball. 1 second. Formosa. 1 second to shoot.
14.
No. 14. 14 seconds to shoot. Foul by number 13. 13. No good. First window, no good. Last window. Yes. Correct. 1 point. Slow pacing. Pass to number 6. Goes to the basket. Back to number 11. Down to out of bounds. Now goes to the basket. Remaining time 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 5, dribble the ball. Clear the basket. One shot to the basket. Pass to the 0. Back to the basket. Back to the 0. 3 seconds. 3 seconds violation. Ball goes to Lions Nuggets. Pass to the number 11. Dribble the ball. Pass to the number 5. Number 3. No good. Rebound by number 32. Pass. Miscommunication. Ball back to Lions Nuggets. Remaining time 3 minutes and 5 seconds. The second quarter. Number 11 dribbles the ball. Pass to the 13. Down the basket. Pass to the 9. Facing. Pass. Intercepted. Number 79. Alright. Foul. Number 32. Legally 2 shots. 2 free throws by number 79, Diamond Buckets. short. Formosa, penalty. One point by number 79. Asking the field, back to the game, comes to basket, layup, strong layup, so rebound goes to 11, pass to 29. 29 now, finish the ball, stop, hold, pass number 3. That's it. Setting the play, number 11, pass number 5. Number 5, making a move, now, to the basket, pass number 11, almost intercepted. Recovered by number 11, pass number 5. 24 seconds violation, turnover. Formosa ball. Delivers number 5. Looking for pass, number 0. 0. Delivers the ball. Pass to 32. The 32. Closer, attempts the jump shot, air ball. Saving, but resetted the 29, time buckets, now pass to out of bounds. Back to Formosa ball. Time out. Time buckets. Score 23 against 12 in favor of Diamond Buckets. Remaining time, 1 minute and 34 seconds. Second quarter. Formosa team is in penalty. One minute and 34 seconds remaining on the second quarter. Involved by number 32 as Formosa, pass number 5. Pass to number 0. Rivers, move the basket, pass to number 5. Out of bounds. Turnover. Ball goes to Diamond Buckets. 1 minute and 22 seconds. 1 minute and 22 seconds. Setting a play. Number 11. Look at the pass, number 5. Dispatch. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Formosa. Inbound by number 5, pass to number 0, back to number 5. Dribbles the ball, goes to the basket. Starting the play. Pass to number 88. Dribble. Goes to the basket. Number 0, layup. No good. Ball goes to Diamond Buckets. Last touch, Formosa. Remaining time, 53 seconds. 53 seconds. The second quarter. Pass to number 5. Fake, drive, attempt. Yes, 2 points by number 5. Back. Diamond Buckets. Number 5. Pass to number 2. Number 5. Number 0. 0. Number 5 again. Attempts for 3. No good. Rebound by number 11. Oh, bad pass to number 11. Number 0 goes to the basket. Drives to the layup. Problem violation. Turnover. Diamond Buckets. 16 seconds. 16 seconds. Number 13 to 11. 12 seconds. 8 seconds. So good. Good on number 7. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. All up. Foul by 2 seconds. Remaining time. Foul, number 29, blocking foul. 2 seconds, 2 seconds to shoot. End of the second quarter. Half time. Also, fourth team, Hermosa, number 0, first personal foul. Number 22, first personal foul. Number 32, second personal foul. Number 77, first personal foul. Number 88, second personal foul. Diamond Buckets, personal foul. Number 13, second personal foul. Number 17, third personal foul. Number 29, first personal foul.
Shot muna. Shot muna.
the second half.
Quay vừa đi đâu được được.
Score 25 over 12 Diamond Buckets. All position goes to Diamond Buckets. Number 11. Point to play. To the grand, back to 29. 29, give us the ball, pass to number 7. Number 7. Pushing up. Again. It's Barrett. Foul, number 32. Blocking ball. First foul of the game. First free throw. Connect. Number 32 for Mosa, third personal foul. No good. Ball goes to Formosa. Pass to 7-7. Charge, grab the basket, attempt. No good. Yes, yes. 3 points by number 77 of Formosa. Still facing by number 11. Setting a play. Harassment number 5. Pass number 7. Very dribble. Number 11. Harassment number 5. Dribble number 10 to the 9. That's 29. Attempt for 3. No good. Rebound. 7. Number 17. Attempt. No good. Rebound. Goes to Formosa. Pass to number 77. 77 pass number 0. Oh, the layup. Yes. 3 points by number 0. Score 28 in favors 19. 9 buckets. Number 11. Harassment number 5. Setting screen by 29. Looking for pass to the 27. 27. All right. Video foul. Foul. Legal hit. Number 0. Second personal foul. Number 0.
Second team foul. Second team foul.
Second team foul. Of Formosa. Number 11. Short pass number 6. Rebound. Goes to number 11. Attempt. No good. Rebound. Goes to number 5. Dribble. Intercepted. Back to number 0. Goes to the basket. No good. Rebound number 0. Yes. 3 points. Number 0. Of Formosa. Number 17 now. Pass number 7. Attempt. Jump shot. No good. Foul by 79. 3 back by number 79 of Diamond Buckets. 0. Pass to 32. Attempt. No good. Rebound by 79. Dribble. Oh! Dribble. Pass to 29. Pass to 79. 79 back to the basket. Layup. No good. Rebound to 70. Pass to 11. Great. Dribble. Pass to 29. Attempt for 3. No good. Short. Rebound by 77. Pass to 32. To 0. 5. To 0. Goes to the basket. Fire up. You score up. And please. 29. Second personal, number 29. First team foul, the second double. Rosa. Addition to that. Maybe out number 17. Number 5, jump shot. 2 points by number 5. Bob. Score 30. It's 24 in favor of Diamond Buckets. Remaining time 6 minutes and 3 seconds. The third quarter, 79. Third basket. What a move! Move. Same ball. Last touch. Barbosa. Substitution run. 29 out, 5 in, 13 in, and 7 out. Evo. Number 17, looking for pass. Pass into number 5. Number 5, attempts for 3. Short, number 17, forward. No ball. Out of bounds. Ball goes to Barbosa, turnover. Meanwhile, by number 7, pass to number 5, Paul. Paul, pass to number 0. Pass to number 77. Nice pass. Score 26 against 30. In favor of Diamond Buckets. Pass to number 9, intercepted by number 7. Pass to number 8. 7. Violation out of bounds. The ball goes back to Diamond Buckets. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 45 seconds in the third quarter. Number 11, looking for pass. Number 79, fake. Attempts. Yes! 2 points by number 79. Number 5, Clark, give us the ball. Looking for a pass. Pass to Charles. Take it past number 7. 7 out. Intercepted by number 13. Intercepted. Ball goes to Barbosa. And to number 8. Pass under by number 7. Yes! There's a foul. There's forward. 13. 2 shots. Third personal foul. Second team foul. The next first Metro. The ball by number 5, Diamond Buckets. Pass to number 11. Harass by number 88. Give us the ball. Good step pass. And they have that open layup. Ball. 32 against 29. 3 points lead by Diamond Buckets. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 49 seconds, the third quarter. Harass pass. This is number 79, going to the basket. Jump shot by number 13. Very good. Rebound by Paul. Pass to Charles. Going to the basket. Strong layup. Very good. Short. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 79. Open court. Stop by number 88. Back pass to number 5. No good. Rebound by number 88 for Barbosa. Harass. There's a foul. Here's Barbosa. 17. Fourth personal foul by 17 of Diamond Buckets. Third personal team penalty. Number 2 of the top. Pass to the 0. Making. Driving. Back to the basket. Pass back. Intercepted by number 5. Matt now goes to the basket. Stealing. Down. Intercepted by number 8, pass to number 5, pass to number 7, stop for 3 balls, no! Rebound by number 13. This is pass to number 5, number 5 pass to number 13, fake, to the basket, no good, this foul. Forward, 77, Charles. Second substitution left. 29 in. Who's out? 79. No good. First attempt. Second free throw. Rebound by number 11. Pass to the back. 13. Attempt. 2 points by number 13. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 33 seconds of the third quarter. Number 0, pass to number 7-7. Attempt, no good, rebound. Moved by number 11, side back. Stop by number 0, number 5. Recover, dribble, pass number 17. 17 goes to basket. Block. Nice 2 points by number 5, Pat Atlanta Nuggets. Score 36 against 29. Remaining time 2 minutes. 2 minutes of the third quarter. Number 7 Charles. Pass to number 8. Attempts. 2 points by number 88 of Cortasa. Now pass number 5. Number 5 stops jump shot. Very good. Rebound by number 8 of Cortasa. Pass to number 7 to number 5. Stop. Nice. Relax. Remaining time, 1 minute and 39 seconds. Pass number 0. Number 0 to number 7-7. Attempts for 3. Air ball. That's the rep. Play ball, play ball. Time buckets. Remaining time, 1 minute and 31 seconds. Score 36 against 31 in favor of Van Buckets. Number 17 of Diamond Buckets. Warning for foul out. Fourth personal foul. Game ball. Precision ball to Diamond Buckets. Lead ball by number 3. Pass to number 11. Slowing the pace. Remaining time, 1 minute and 25 seconds. For 3. No good. The foul goes to number 30. Pass to number 0. Goes to basket. Side stepping. Headed to number 7. Attempts the jump shot. Yes. Knock bounce by number 7. Number 11. Rolling a play. Pass by number 5. Pass number 5. Traveling violation. Turnover. Foul goes to Cortasa. Remaining time 54 seconds. Pass to number 0. Drive to the basket. Strong way up. No good. Rebound. And to number 13. The Diamond Buckets. 45 seconds to the third quarter. 45 seconds. Number 11. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 5. 5 times. Good basket. Pass to number 13. Attempt. Wide open. 2 points. Score. 38 against 33. 25 seconds. 25. 5. Pass to Charles. Drive to the basket. Stop. Shoots. Air ball. Turnover. Ball goes to Diamond Buckets. 17 seconds. 17 seconds. Remaining time. Oh, the ball. Harassed. Tried to intercept. Recovered by number 11. Goes to the basket. And as a layup, no good. Rebound. Yes, 2 points for number 11. 5 seconds. Shooter. 2 seconds. Here's the third quarter. 40 against 33 in favor of Diamond Buckets. Last quarter, fourth quarter. Ball game, start of the fourth quarter. Ball goes to Formosa. Number 5, number 7, stops. Look at that pass. Number 5, attempts for 3. Yes! 3 points by number 5, Tom of Formosa. Heroes by number 11, starting to play. Pass number 15, inside play, taking attempt, short, out of bounds. Ball goes to Formosa. Score 40 against 36 in favor of Diamond Buckets. Heroes the ball. Number 5, looking the pass to number 0. Running the pick, grabbing the basket, side step. Number 8 rep. Traveling violation. Turnover. He got by number 2, 9 to number 11. Settling the play. Holding the play. Rush by number 5. Nobody moves. Swing by number 17. Break. Break. Rush number 5. Right. Drop shot. Air ball. Foul by number 7. Zero. Open layup. Yes, 2 points by number 0.
38-40, 38-40.
40-38 in favor of Diamond Buckets. 2-point lead. Number 11, pass to number 17. 17, looking for pass to then 7. Jump shot. Short. Ball goes to Formosa. Give us a ball. Guard. Max Charles. March the guard. To number 0, big straight number 8. Behind the charge. Driving back to number 0. Back. Intercepted by 27. Back to follow to number 7. Back to number 7. Fake. Pass to number 0. Number 5. 24 seconds. Shot clock violation. Score 40 against 38 in favor of Diamond Buckets. 2 points each. Remaining time 7 minutes and 36 seconds. The last quarter. Number 11 has to connect the season. Ready to grip? Foul. Number 0.
Tayran. Pero kung white siya, Tayran.
Out of bounds. Foul number 88. Third personal foul, number 88. Third personal foul. Second team foul. In moment number 11. Good for pass. To 27. Nice take. Attempt. 2 points by number 27. Scored 42 against 38. In favor of 9. Back number 0. 0. Look at the ball. Making the left. In the swing. Charles for 3. No good. All goes to Diamond Buckets. Remaining time 7 minutes and 2 seconds. 7 minutes and 2 seconds. The third quarter. Basket number 5, number 11 goes to the basket, back to number 5. Turnover. Well, that's my thumb. Third seconds. To serve. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 11, going to play. Basket number 5, pass to 27, intercepted by Clark. Dribble, pass to number 88. Here's it. Traveling violation by number 7. Confusion. 13 out, 27 out, 2019, 79. 11, point to play. Waiting, moving, pass to number 79, no good. Rebound by 88. The front, from Sigmund, Sigmund the crowd, break, pass here. Number 88. Charles. 7 attempts. No good. Rebound by number 5. 9. Pass to 11. Back to number 5. Back to the basket. Who scored it? 2 shots. Foul number 7. First number 3. Team foul. 2 shots. Timeout. Formosa. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 31 seconds. Score, Taylor Franz Baggett 42 against 38.
Wala na kita.
Ano, ma'am?
Kailangan ko panigaralan.
Ayaw, isang magandang session.
Team penalty, third Formosa. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 41 seconds. 5 minutes and 41 seconds. No good. First free throw. No good. Violation left. One more shot. Entering too soon. One more shot. Rebound goes to 77. Nice to the basket. Pass to the second, but out of bounds. Same ball. Ball stays to Formosa. Team ball by number 7. Replaced by number 0. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 0. 0. Drive. Pass to number 5. Pass back to number 7. Attempts. Rebound by number 79. Dribbles. The basket. Shot. Layup. Yes! 2 points by number 79. Pass to 0. 0. The charge. Out of bounds. Turnover. Up goes back to time and buckets. Remaining time 4 minutes and 57 seconds. 4 minutes and 57 seconds. Number 11, slowing the pace. Going to play. Equal 29. Pass to number 17. Pass to basket. Chocolate number 5. Yes, 2 points by number 5. 5. Pass to number 0. Number 0, give it to more. Go to basket. Pass to number. Close it. Rebound by 11. Score 46 against 35. It's in the time of target. Going to play. Good pass to number 79. Attempts. No good. Rebound. Screens by number 17. 17 pass to 29. Pass number 5. Attempts. No good. Rebound again by number 5. Fake. Shoot. Yes. 2 points by number 5. Score 48 against 38 in favor of Diamond Buckets. Violation left. Out of bounds. 9 violation. Timeout. Formosa.
No more timeout.
No more timeout for Formosa. Remaining time 3 minutes and 54 seconds. Score 48 against 38 in favor of Diamond Buckets. Formosa has 13 foul against 9-0. This will be the first biggest win of Diamond Buckets. There's 9 playing, by 17, looking for friend, close to number 11. Give the pick, in the play, out of bounds. More remains to Diamond Buckets. Sideline going, baseline going by number 11. Pass. And the dribble attempts for 3, no good, rebound. Stays with Diamond Bucket. Remaining time 3 minutes and 38 seconds. What a cut, but no good. Rebound again. Gathering number 0. Right to the basket. No good. Rebound number 5. Pass by number 5. Pass by number 11. Number 11 back to number 79. Yes! 2 points by number 79. Number 0. That's for 3. Stop by number 0. Number 5. Attempts. Yes! Number 5. 2 points. Remaining time 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 0. Number 32. Number 5. Drive, pass back number 2, and for 3, short, rebound, goes. Ball goes to Diamond Buckets. Score 52 against 38 in favor of Diamond Buckets. Remaining time 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Dribbles the ball, number 11, slowing the pace. Going to go down. Harassment number 5, ball. Going inside pass, but misses the eliminated. Turnover, ball goes to Formosa. 2 minutes and 27 seconds. More to play in the fourth quarter. Pass number 0. Number 7 attempts. Yes, 2 points by number 88. Sorry, number 88. 2 points.
52-40.
Score 55 against 40. 12 points lead by Diamond Buckets. Remaining time 2 minutes. Short. Rebound by number 88. Pass number 5 to number 32. Pass to number 5 to number 0. There's the basket. Hard layup. Counter. The scorer. Number 11. Illegal hit. One shot. Bonus shot. Substitution rep. 29 out. Number 13 in. Remaining time 1 minute and 47 seconds. Last shot. Correct. Score 52 against 42 in favor of Diamond Pockets. 1 and 40 seconds to play. 1 minute and 40 seconds to play. Number 17 looking for a friend. Looking for a friend. Pass to 79. Drives to the basket. Will score it? No good. Foul, number 88. Fourth personal foul. Fourth personal foul. Number 7, sorry. Number 7. Second personal foul. One minute and 24 seconds more to play. Connect. 2 for 1 point. Number 88, number 5. Pass to number 0. Intercepted by number 79. Boom. Hard to the basket. Yes, 2 points by number 79. Score 55 against 43. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Number 0. No good. Rebound by 17. Pass to number 11. To number 5. Harass by number 88. Intercept to number 88.
1
to
minute.
number 0. 1 minute. To number 5. Yes, 2 points for number 7. 50 seconds. 50 seconds more to play. 50 seconds. To set number 13. Fake pass. Attempt by number 79. 2 points. 38 seconds. Number 0. Comes at 2 points. 2 points by number 0. 57 against 47. 10-point lead. Pass by number 0. Pass by and the setter. 0. Same ball. Remaining time 19 seconds. 19 seconds. More to play. 19 seconds. Inbound by number 5. Pass to 32. Attempts no good. Inbound by number 8. Jump shot. Yes. 14 seconds. Number 11. Moving the pace. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 13. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Two.